Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. We have a cold front currently creeping along the east coast. At the same time, we are going to see thunder showers popping up once again over eastern South Africa. However, it's going to stay mostly sunny and hot across the Northern Cape. We have here clear skies still dominating the weather over the central and western areas. Partly cloudy skies over eastern South Africa. And here's the cold front I just mentioned. And behind it, we have rain-bearing clouds covering parts of the eastern Cape coastal areas as well as the south coast. Now, our futurecast map shows this area of high pressure which is going to be pushing rain-bearing clouds into the southern areas, maintaining wet weather for the rest of your Monday along parts of the south coast and the eastern Cape coastal areas, and spreading into much of KwaZulu-Natal as this cold front continues moving eastwards. Thunder showers are forecast over the eastern areas. It's going to be hot across much of the Northern Cape. Then on Tuesday, showers are forecast for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending into the eastern areas. It's going to be cloudy with rain for southeastern Limpopo, eastern Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, spilling into the eastern Cape coastal areas. We are expecting just a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers for the rest of your Monday across much of eastern South Africa. Just a 20% chance of rain is expected for parts of the south coast. Durban is going to become increasingly cloudy and wet this afternoon, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture, and afternoon temperatures will warm up to around 28 degrees. Light winds are forecast for the rest of your day across much of South Africa. A moderate southerly breeze is expected for the KZN coastal areas. Strong winds around East London. It's going to be breezy as well around the Cape Peninsula, winds gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour. Cape Town should warm up to around 27 degrees this afternoon. It's going to be much cooler as we go towards the south coast and the southern parts of the eastern Cape. Richards Bay should warm up to around 28. Cooler over the northeast with a couple of 25s around Mbombela, Polokwane and Johannesburg. Mahikeng is the 30-degree mark. It's going to be sizzling hot once again for Appington with a high of around 38 degrees. Overnight temperatures should drop to around 20 degrees for Richards Bay and Durban. Cooler as we go towards the eastern Cape, even cooler for the southern interior with minimums in the single digits for Graafrenet and Sutherland. The mother city should see a minimum of around 17 degrees. 12 for your minimum in Bloemfontein, just a degree warmer in Johannesburg. Pretoria should drop to around 16 degrees. Thunder showers are forecast on Tuesday over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending into eastern South Africa. Rainy weather is forecast along the east coast. Similar weather is forecast for your Wednesday, and drizzly weather should set in along the south coast. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.